Yo.
Hello, it's the Glock, not Peng Ting wanna.
Hello, it's the Glock, not who's there. But they wanna do shop, new here. What you gonna do? Stop, who cares? You ain't gonna shoot that gun, you scared.
Peng Ting wanna. Got an African girl that wanna. Even got a Mali that wanna. Even got a Yardi that wanna.
Got a 10-10 called Britney, the trap house stinks full of Bobby and Whitney. Bando talk about B back with me, she keeps asking me why the cat's so twitchy. Rashford making moves on the pitchy, before this rap he weren't trying to pick me. Spent a bag on a bag or 15, for the times when I never had shitty. Take off, ride this wave like the ocean, breakdown packs the week comes impotent. If rap don't work, the bando doors open, no snakes bro, won't catch me at road. And if rats get round, she snap on the strip, that's search and destroying bro's got a tool. Even got one from LDN, keeps telling me she wants to come back to the pool.
I got Nigers, Yardies, Barbies, Marlies. I don't want love, just nannies. I got drillers and trappers, serious booters. They don't wanna dance in parties. How you mean? Short, you wanna chill with the big boys. Other side got bare bitch.
Oh, let's go, that's class!
Bitch, brownie looking all ZZ Mills. Tell her come fuck with the rich niggas, you ain't gonna bust that gun, that's cap. How man get beat up, holding a wax. Man dry ride and he got turned back. Till they get back, gang gon' get you back. You ain't gonna grip, you ain't gonna back. You ain't gonna let that. You ain't gonna shoot, stop lying. Lock and logo, get shit fine.
Hello, it's the Glock, not who's there. But they wanna do shop, new here. What you gonna do? Stop, who cares? You